Teaching practical science classes online poses a unique challenge for science tutors. Unlike traditional classes, online learning requires a different approach to effectively engage students and help them understand scientific concepts. However, with innovative teaching methods and the use of technology, it's possible to provide an enriching and rewarding online science education. In this video, we'll share with you some practical ways you can take practical science classes online. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Number 1. Use simulation software. First and foremost, simulation software can be a game changer for online science classes. There are many simulation software programs available online that allow students to conduct virtual experiments, which is a great way to demonstrate scientific concepts and experiments to students. Number 2. Record and share videos. As a science tutor, you can record videos of yourself performing experiments and share them with your students. You can also record yourself explaining the concepts behind the experiments. Number 3. Use online lab kits. Online lab kits are another fantastic resource. Many online retailers sell lab kits that students can use to conduct experiments at home. By coordinating with your students to ensure they have the necessary equipment and materials, you can provide hands-on learning opportunities for them. Number 4. Conduct live demonstrations. Live demonstrations via video conferencing software are also highly effective. This approach allows students to ask questions and receive feedback in real time, enhancing the learning experience. Number 5. Encourage student participation. Last but not least, it's important to encourage student participation. Encouraging your students to conduct their experiments and report back on their findings is an excellent way to reinforce concepts and assess their understanding. In conclusion, as a science tutor taking online classes, it's important to be resourceful and creative. By using a combination of simulation software, videos, online lab kits, live demonstrations, and student participation, you can provide a comprehensive science education online. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.